imagine yourself in this 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: front independent suspension, cruise controls on steering wheel, short and long arm front suspension, center console, full with covered storage, MP3 player, remote activated exterior entry lights, manufacturer 0 to 60 miles per hour acceleration time, seconds, 8.1 seconds, and stability control with anti-roll control. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.